everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will going to make another activity using SolidWorks. So first, this is the activity that we're going to do. So let's start. So we will click first the new and then part and then okay. The next is we will change the unit into millimeter and then click this sketch and then tap view. The next is we will click this line, the center line, then we will make a line from here to here. Then we will put dimension with a measure of 143.5 and then another one from this point to this point with a measure of 50. The next is we will click this into tangent arc and then from here, then here, again, another from here, and here, and escape. Then next is we will put smart dimension from this, the measure of 600. Then from this point to this point with the measure of 3. The next is one with the measure of 5. And then this one with the measure of 20. And this measure of 40. This one again 40 here with the measure of 10 here to here with the measure of 3. And then from this point to this line with the measure of 9. And then from this point to this point with the measure of 50. And from this point to this point with the measure of 3.5. Then enter. Next is we will click this, erase it, this one, and then we will click mirror entities, then click this and then click this line, this, and the next is we will erase it. Then click tangent arc from this to this. Then okay. Then we will put measurement with a 6. Then from here to here with point coincident Another one is from here to here to incident. Then we will put smart dimension from this line, measure of 143.5, and then from this point to this point with a measure of 50, and then from here to here with 3.5, and then okay. The next is then we will click this, and to have this, then we will click front plane, then normal 2, then we will click this line with the center line, then we will make a line from here downward to this, then add relation, smart dimension with 45, and then we will add point from this, and then again smart dimension from here to here with 10. Next is we will create the third point arc from here to here, then escape, then we will put dimension with 500. Then next is again we will put another point from here. Okay, then smart dimension from this point to this point to the 6, and then from this point to this line with a measure of 76. And then again click 3-point arc, then from here to here upward, then another 3-point arc from this point, then enter, and then we will put smart dimension from this with the radius of 20, and then 40, then okay, then again smart dimension from this point to this point with a measure of 74, and from this point to this point with a measure of 119, smart dimension from this point to this line, the measure of and we will add a point. Then click here. Click this one, then click reference, then plane, then we will click this. Then reference again. Then click this, then reference, plane, then click this, click this, and click sketch, then normal 2, and then 3-point arc, then add relation, then click this point, then click horizontal, then next is click this, control hold, then click this point, then coincident. Then next is then next we will click this plane 2, then we will repeat what we do in plane 1. So click here, then plane 2, sketch, and then normal 2, and then click 3-point arc, then click here, then here, then here. Then we will click this point to have relation. We click horizontal, then again click this point, then control hold, click add relation, then click this point and this point, then coincident, then smart dimension, then click here the measure of n. Then next is we will hide this plane. So click here, then hide. Hide. click right plane, then reference, then plane, then click this point, then click this, then arc sketch, then 3-point arc again, click here, then here, then escape, then click this point, then horizontal, then again click, again add relation, then click this point, to this point, then coincident, then its radius is 40. Check, then we will hide it, and then to have a boundary, so we will click the boundary surface, then click this, and then click this, and then okay. Next is we will change the view with the top view, and then we will go to trim surface, then we will delete it, then click here, and then for this one, so we will click this one, and then enter. So this is the activity or figure. So we will done. So I hope you learned something from me for this activity, and then thank you.